guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's going to be a challenge, and for this challenge I'm going to do a ding 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 samyang noodle. This is the original noodle, so this is the, I think it's not the ×2. I did have a ×2 when I went to the grocery store, but I changed my mind because I might not be able to take it. So let's start from here and let's do it. Let's go to my kitchen. We're here now. I got my noodles here and I'm excited to test this. The flavor of this noodle is chicken. Am I ready? I'm not ready, but in case of anything, I have ice cream here in the fridge. What do you think? Am I gonna survive or what? Wait. Wait! I have some orange juice here, guys.
Juice.
Take a moment. Okay, let's start. There you go. Look at that. Ooh. Umuusok pa siya. Look at that, guys. Ready? Lokahang. Lokahang. Uy. Ingat sila, dili ha. How much more the ×2 in this one? Wow. That's a lot of kick. There's a lot of kick to it. Kaya kaya to? 2. Ay, kahang. The flavor, I don't know. Grabe. Grabe. It's like the tip of your, it's the tip of your tongue, but it's really on fire. The taste, it's okay. I thought it was more delicious than expected, but I don't know. I thought it was tasted like an Indian butter chicken. That's what I was imagining, so I could, savor this, but oh my god, that's 2 already. If you really like spicy stuff, I think you can do it, or it's okay for you, but for me right now it's burning in the top of my tongue. But I'm not sweating yet. I still look pretty. I put on a little bit of makeup, guys, so I could feel beautiful even when I'm in pain. Ay. Kaya ko yato. Ay. Nga, oy. Wala na yung ingon, ha? This is what the people said, that it's really hot. Oh, just colored. Kaya to, ah. I don't think I can make it. It's like I'm hesitant now to eat. I was even hungry before this. I usually take my snack at this time. It's 5 o'clock. Oh my god. My nose is not leaking yet. Okay, wait. Let's It's a lot of noodles. Wait. Ready? Go. At least it has a little bit of sweetness in there. Like a Dragon Ball. Okay. Woo! Isa may nag-invento ano yun? Wala mo, tulo na akong sipon. So good nagtulo. Starting to leak now. Uy, grabe. So. Whew. Hi. That's why I was so hesitant to do this, because I know it's only just gonna be a few bites. So I do love Indian food, so this one, with the one that I eat in the Indian buffet, this one is more fiery right now. It's now at the edge of my lips, and probably I'm not gonna stop right there. But see, I don't think I can finish it. The rule of this game is you have to finish the ball, right? But I don't think I can do it. Okay, next bite. Ay. I wonder those people who love mukbang, ha? All the sounds. It's really true. Oh my god, hilak ko na mataan eh. Now that one is really kicking into my tongue. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Kahang, uy. So spicy. Kibaw ka ang juice, nagpangamay na ako. Come here, baby. I've seen Jeremy do it, and then he did finish all the bowl with all the sweat on his face. I don't think I can make it. My lips is really burning now. Especially I have sensitive lips. I think I gave up, guys. I gave up. I failed to this challenge. I thought it's just gonna be like Indian food, like that. But it's really hard. I don't think I can make it. It's so amazing. People like Britman Rock just, like swallow it like in an instant. And then he did 2 packs of this one too. Oh my god, that's a lot. Now it's kicking in right now, so I gotta drink something, and I gotta drink some juice muna. I'm gonna drink some juice first, and then I need some ice cream. Now I'm gonna do my ice cream right now. How about, can you just let me eat my ice cream and drink my juice and try to work on it still? Kaya pa to? I already failed, guys, because I already drink the orange juice, so I'm just trying to eat something. Di na din niya pwede. I should have stopped when I said I stopped. Ice cream. Oh no. I didn't really sweat at all. because I'm not a sweaty person, so nothing in there. It's just my nose. My nose is not leaking, but my lips is on fire right now. So that's all I can say for this challenge. I failed. I hope you enjoyed this video even though I failed. And thank you so much for watching. Until my next video. And before you leave, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and hope to see you in my next one. Bye!